Today we are learning animals and their nature. So let's start the video. Dog. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. World's most popular pet animal is dog. Dog is human's best friend. Cat. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat kills and eat rats. Cats are pet animals. They drink milk.
Lion. L for lion. 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 Lion is very big animal. Lion is called king of the jungle. It runs very fast. Lion hunt animals for their food. They are wild animals.
Camel. C for camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel is a very tall animal. In olden days, camels are used to travel in deserts from one place to another place. It carries heavy loads on her back in deserts. Hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. It eats grass, leaves, fruits, aquatic. It always lives in water. It only comes out from water to eat food. Monkey. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. They eat fruits and vegetables. They live on tops of trees with their family. They are very naughty ones. Goat. G for goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat eat grass. Goat gives milk. Goat milk is very healthy. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. They eat vegetables, grass. They are very cute ones. They run very fast. They are pet animals. They live in holes underground called burrow. Sheep. S for sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. They gives us wool to make sweaters. Zebra. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. It have a black and white strips all over the body. The strips of each zebra are different from other zebras. They live in the jungle. They are wild animals. Cow. C for cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow gives us milk by eating grass. Milk is very healthy for our bones. We should drink milk every day. Hen. H for hen. H-E-N. Hen. It gives us chicken and eggs. Horse. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse runs very fast. Which animals are your favorite one? Please comment below. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in next video. Please like, subscribe to my channel.